I was born without 12 permanent teeth in my mouth. So I had all the baby teeth, but 12 missing. And they were hanging there. They were just there, and lots of dentists were just looking and saying, how the hell are they hanging? There's no, I mean, they have no roots. They just, some of them started to get loose and falling out, and this is not good. And so I was sitting in my office one day at Georgetown University, and one of my former students came by just to say hello, and I said, Joe, I've got this problem. I mean, these teeth, these baby teeth in my mouth, and they're falling. I mean, I need to get implants at some point, so help. Right? So he becomes my general dentist, and then he refers me to Dr. Gouldin. And then I came here and started with Dr. Gouldin, and that meant that measurements and all these x-rays and different angles and how much bone is there and is it thick enough and all that. He was amazing because he had to give me the information that I would then use to make decisions. And that mattered a lot to me because, you know, if you're not informed, then all of a sudden at the end of something you say, well, wait a minute, it looks like that. Well, why didn't you tell me it was, well, there was none of that. And every step of the way, it was just, when I want to say painless, I don't mean just physically painless. I mean emotionally painless, because I felt utterly confident that what was going to happen to me was going to be fine. So yeah, you can see the upper teeth here, the front teeth here, and some lower, but there are spots that are missing here. And this one here was missing for a long time, and the others were still there. And so I would kind of do that. So I learned how to kind of talk and speak and smile without calling too much attention to the fact that there was this space up there. And I kind of felt like if I wasn't self-conscious about it, then other people wouldn't necessarily pay attention either, but anybody with eyes to see. So I never smiled as I am now. I would never, laugh like that, because then it would be glaring, and I don't want to do that. I sat in that chair for those first 6 for 5 hours, and he stood there for 5 hours doing this stuff. And so in a way, I am committed to taking care of this. And that's not for my sake, but for him. I want to show him that I have respect for the work he did, because it's really tremendous work. You just can't go in and do something like that. He's not just a technician. And I think that's an important part of this. He's technically brilliant, but he's also a kind and decent person. And I think that matters a lot to me, So I'm grateful for the human being he is, but I'm also grateful for the periodontist that he is.